Tom Matthews here with a pro tip on way to use solder wick. So I'm trying to desolder this switch on this old clock radio. I'm going to put a new switch in there. But when you're desoldering stuff, what most people do is they use the solder wick off the reel. And one thing about solder wick is you want to get as much heat to the joint as possible, and the long solder wick will steal some of the heat away. So what I do is I cut about a 1/2 inch piece off and then hold it with tweezers. You can hold it with metal tweezers, but if you have some insulated tweezers like these, now all the heat will stay in the joint and in the solder wick, and you'll get a better result. And so I'm going to try to, let me clean one of these joints up right here. Actually, a lot of these have already got most of it cleaned up off of there, but so I'll get a much better flow of heat into there, and you can see it'll get a better removal. And so that keeps the heat from running up the solder wick, and it keeps your end of your solder wick real clean for the next guy. You know, if somebody used it and they left a lot of solder on there, that's kind of a cheap move.